Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will going to learn chapter number 7 of history of ninth standard, that is science and technology. You have already known this, that we are becoming more developing countries and we are adopting the new technology. The science has invented lots of technologies and improvement to get a smooth and high standard of living. So let's start with the chapter. In this chapter, we shall study India's achievement in the areas of science and technology. Also, we are going to learn about the important institutions in the era of science and technology and their contributions. Indian Atomic Energy Commission. India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru wanted to nurture a scientific temper and bring about the nation's progress. From this perspective, he set up the Indian Atomic Energy Commission on 10th August 1948. Dr. Homi Bhabha was appointed as the first chairman of the commission. The objective of the commission was to produce electricity from atomic energy, increase the yields of food grains and make them last longer, set up the technology for achieving these, and develop nanotechnology in nanotechnology. In 1956, the Department of Atomic Energy set up Apsara, a nuclear reactor functioning on the atomic energy. See, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He he has thought a lot of things about Indian technology because they all are educated. They know the growing importance of science and technology. Even now we really wanted to update ourselves, or adopt a new technology and new gadgets. If you see the current example, first we only have that small set of mobile phone. Now we have iPhone, iPads, and the computer transferred into laptop, and the black TV transferred into the color TV, then LCD, LED. So these are the improvement that we are accepting. I have seen some years back, like almost 5 6 years back, a Chinese gadget, which a kitchen Chinese gadget, which are very useful to help in women. But what happened after 5 years, I am getting it right now that all that gadgets. So we are lacking around. But Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, took a step to come forward and adapt and accept this kind of technology. In 1969, an atomic power station was set up at the Tarapur. A reactor research center was set up at the Kalpakka in Tamil Nadu to successfully use thorium for the generating atomic power. The role of reactor is important in developing atomic power. See, now they have come up with all the atomic energy and atomic research and reactor to get the to generate the electricity, which is very important. The food grains, which we don't need to wait for sunrise or something, like we store things and we utilize that things in a different way. Factories manufacturing the heavy water needed for generation of atomic power were set up at the Voda, Vod, Vadodara, Talchar, Tuticorin, Kota, etc. An institution called Heavy Water Projects was set up to carry out research on the manufacturing heavy water within the country. It was later renamed Heavy Water Board. See, now what happened? The electricity first was generated by only the rainwaters. They use you know they store the waters and then they utilize. But they have now proper institution, or you can call the industrial and manufacturing this water project. That heavy water was kept in a bulk to generate the atomic energy. Dharuva nuclear reactor. In 1985, a completely Indian made nuclear reactor called Dharuna was started at the Thrombay near Mumbai. Dharuva nuclear reactor used uranium as a fuel, and this center 350 radioactive substances are produced. They are used in industry, agriculture, and medicine. See, after that generating electricity, they have also create one Dharuna nuclear reactor, which is used as a fuel, uranine fuel, which is helpful in industry, agriculture and medicine to get the industries use this kind of fuel to get help in agriculture industries and medicines. Then Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. This company was set up in 1987 to generate electricity from atomic energy. The objectives of the company is to master and develop the technology to generate safe, cheap and environmental profitable power and make the country self sufficient. Now they have generate the electricity by atomic energy, and their main motive, their objective was to generate safe and cheap environmentally, that is it should be profitable power and make the country self sufficient, that we don't need to borrow electricity or something from the other country. We'll see till here. Next we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you.